In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event in Waze in 2026 step by step. To get started, open Waze and make sure you're on the main interface. Once you're inside Waze, take a moment to get familiar with the layout because the option you need is found within the editing tools rather than the regular navigation view. This is important since creating an event is usually done from the editor area where you can define traffic impact and event details more precisely. Next, look over to the right-hand side panel. This is where you'll find the controls that let you access additional tools and settings. On that panel, click the pencil icon. The pencil represents editing options, and selecting it will open the tools you need to begin setting up your event. After that, shift your attention to the left-hand side panel. Once the editing menu appears there, click on Event. This will take you into the Event Management section. From there, click Create Event to start a new entry. Now you'll begin filling out the event details. First, select the event category. Choose the category that best matches the type of event you're adding, since this helps Waze organize the information correctly and lets drivers understand what kind of traffic impact to expect. Next, select the impacted area. This part is very important because it tells Waze exactly where the event will affect traffic. Be as accurate as possible when defining the area so the information is useful for drivers and map updates. Once that's done, set the start of traffic. This should reflect when the event is expected to begin affecting road conditions, not just when the event itself officially starts. Then set the end of traffic, which should indicate when traffic is expected to return to normal. After the timing is set, add the event name. Keep it clear and specific so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Then add the event description. This is where you can briefly explain what the event is about and provide helpful context for anyone reviewing it. Next, add the event website if there is one available. Including a website can be useful for providing more information about the event, especially for official or public activities. Finally, add the lock setting. This helps define editing restrictions and can protect the event information from unwanted changes, depending on your permissions and workflow. Once you've completed all of these fields, review everything carefully for accuracy. A well-made event entry helps improve traffic awareness and makes Waze more useful for everyone on the road. And that's how to create an event in Waze.